Hi, I'm Dr. Ashish Davalbhakta at Aesthetics Med Spa in Pune. In today's video, we are going to cover carbon peel and how to do a carbon peel. Before we go to how to do, let's understand who is the right candidate or who needs a carbon peel. Carbon peel is a technique which is used with Q-switch and YAG laser, and it's a laser where the light penetrates to a particular depth of the skin and delivers the energy, and we use carbon as a medium to kind of absorb the energy and take the energy to the depth of the pores and the glands of the skin and give not only remodeling of the collagen by the heat that is generated by the laser, but also clearing up of the debris or bacteria and getting rid of pigmentation. So it has multiple advantages. It helps in reducing the pigmentation, it reduces the pores, the skin becomes smoother, it cleans the glands, it reduces the acne. So there are multiple benefits. If you have any of these problems, do talk to your physician about a carbon peel. And today we will demonstrate the carbon peel in this video, which is a 3-step process. So we'll focus on the application. This is the first step where we are applying the carbon, and typically carbon, it's in black in color. The carbon you have to apply as a uniform coat and allow it to sink into the pores. So once you have applied it, you have to wait for at least 10 minutes minimum, 10 to 15 minutes, to allow it to sink in to the depth of the pores so that you get a good effect. So as you can see that here we are applying the carbon. You have to focus on the areas where the pores are enlarged, or you are having acne commonly, or where there is post-acne pigmentation, so which is called as PIH. So sometimes patients have pigmentation once the acne has healed. Even there you can apply the carbon peel. So now we are starting with the second part of our carbon peel, and we have applied the carbon to the face and left it for around 15 minutes. Once you have left it for 15 minutes, now we are starting with what is called as the first pass, and this is in the genesis mode of the Q-switch NDAG. So this is basically heating the product so that it melts and goes in further, plus also the heat helps in collagen remodeling of the dermis. So we are doing the forehead now. And once you have finished the forehead, then you can do the face, nose and chin. So you don't see much of a difference when you're doing it with the collimated mode in the genesis, but you must cover the area completely in uniform set pattern strokes, and all this is doing is just basically heating the dermis. Now we are going to do the second pass, which is in a top hat mode. First was in the genesis mode, so this is going to be a top hat mode, and the parameters are set accordingly. This does make a loud noise, but this is just a loud noise, okay? And as you can see that it is now clearing away the pigment. So this one is shattering the pigment. And it is clearing away all the carbon that had penetrated down into the openings of the pores. Okay, so we have finished 2 passes. Second pass was a top hat mode. Now the third pass is again a top hat mode using a collimated handpiece. So it has a 7mm spot size, and we are removing whatever pigment that is left in between during our second pass. So this one is a faster pass, and it clears away whatever little carbon that is left behind. Once the 3 passes are done, then you can use a soothing mask which has vitamin C, or a mild cooling mask that helps in taking away the heat from the dermis. And it also, vitamin C would give you an antioxidant effect and a little brightening effect, so that you can apply and finish the procedure. So this is all done in a carbon peel. So it's a very simple thing, but it has multiple benefits. Thank you very much. If you have liked this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.